Welcome to schemerangu.com. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get started to access the platform. So to get to schemerangu.com, you simply type in your mobile browser or on the desktop www.schemerangu.com, and it will take you to this page. So once you're at this page, you can see all the information you need to learn about the platform. But if you want to log in or create a new account, you simply press here which says Start Planning. I'll click on that, so it will take you to this login page here. So in this login page, if you already have an account, you simply put your email or username here and your password. But if you don't have an account, you simply click on Create a Teacher Account. So in creating a teacher account, you simply put your full name, and this is the name that is going to appear on your schemes, lesson plan, and everything. And then you put your school name here. So school name, I'm just going to say Churchill. And then my email address is there, and then I'll just create a password here. So use a strong password, right? So after I do that, let me just change my email address as well. And then I'll create teacher account here. So this process doesn't take time. It's already done. Now I have an account on schemerangu.com. So in the next video, I'm going to show you some of the features that schemerangu.com has. So see you in the next video.